What is a good landing page bounce rate? Post-click landing pages usually demonstrate a higher bounce rate than regular website pages. Between 0 and 15% is practically unachievable. Between 15 and 30% is an out-of-this-world result. You should ask for a raise. Between 30 and 45% is great. You're officially a landing page guru. Between 45 and 65% is good. You can host a landing page masterclass. Between 65 and 75% is average. Most of landing pages will fall in that range. Between 75 and 90% is below average. This is where you absolutely need to check your targeting, ad copy, and landing page content. Finally, if your landing page bounce rate is above 90%, you should stop your campaign, review your targeting criteria, rewrite your ads, and most likely create a new landing page. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more training, and join our community on Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn.